Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Coach bag that I just got in the mail yesterday. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and open this box. This is from the Coach denim collection. And this box already came damaged like this. You can see there's a hole in the box. And when the person who brought this box was carrying it, this was actually lifted up. So I actually had to push this back down, but it was lifted up. He was carrying it with this lid open like this. And I saw him outside walking with this box like this to the house, y'all. So that was pretty interesting, but he said that it had just opened up when he took it out the truck. This came by UPS. She's wrapped. A lot of wrapping. Alright, so I'll go ahead and unwrap this. And there she is. Set her there. I'm going to stuff her so that she is not flat looking. Alright you guys, so this is the Kleo Carryall bag and the Denim Chambray collection, or from the Denim Chambray collection. And I've already shown you guys this denim bag that I previously already have. And this is just a regular denim bag that I had purchased. And I like this bag so much, when I saw this one come on sale, I thought maybe I could possibly deal with the Coach logo all over the bag. So this was on sale. So I thought that I would give it a try and try to purchase this bag and see if I liked it in person. But I can already tell that the CCs are a bit too much for me. I don't really know if I just like it where it's just, you know, it's kind of like too much of a good thing. So I'm still going to kind of do a review, like initial thoughts on this bag. But I can already tell, compared to this one, the size is pretty similar. So I'm not sure if I really need this bag, because I think this one will do just fine. And I prefer not to have all those CCs on this bag. So while I have this one, I'll put this one here for like a comparison. So you can see, and even though this is not stuffed, I'll zip this up, see if that helps a bit with the shape of it. You can kind of see they're both the same height. This one is a little bit wider because the sides do come out like this. And actually, you know, I don't know. Guys, I don't think that this bag is really much bigger than this one. Honestly, they are very comparable. They're very comparable looking from the top. And I'll try to show like a view from the top if I can, but just wanted to show you these side by side. I paid $167.50 for this, so I didn't get it on the current frenzy sale that's going on right now. I paid $167.50, I think, for this one. So let me move this one and finish talking about this one here. So this bag comes with this beautiful tassel right here. This is one of the things that caught my attention about the bag, was the tassel and the Coach charm here. And I love the pull on the zipper. And I love that it has this pocket right here. The red color on this really just stick out, and it pops so much against this denim color that I love it so much, you guys. And there's a close-up of this beautiful bag. The handles and strap are in a navy blue color. Very nice, generous crossbody strap. That's probably one of the things that I actually love about this bag, is that it can be worn crossbody. I do feel like it's a very good bag in terms of a carry-all bag. I see now why it's like a carry-all bag. It kind of reminds me of like a diaper bag, really, if I had to say. It's real diaper bag flourish. So for those of you who are looking for a stylish diaper bag, I feel like this one would really be cute. Or even like a travel bag. I think that this would be really cute. I like that it has the zipper on it versus my other totes do not have. Well, one of them does have a zipper, but I do like the security of the zipper factor on this bag. And I like that it is trimmed in leather, so these parts should hold up a little bit better. Overall, it's a really cute bag. I do see why it's sold out. If I didn't already have my Chanel dupe bag, I probably would keep this. But again, I think for me, the all over CC print is just a bit much. And I prefer it in either a plain denim where I can have accessories with this all over print, how I kind of have it now. So I'm not going to keep this bag. I'll definitely return it, but I definitely wanted to do a quick unboxing of this bag and show you all how it looks. I will do some mod shots with this bag so that you can see kind of on my body. I am 5'3". And so I'll do like a mod shot to show how this looks on my body. So if you have any questions about this gorgeous, beautiful bag, definitely comment down below. It's currently sold out on the website, but who knows, it may pop back into stock. But I definitely could see why this is a favorite for some who would like to have something stylish, not black, but still in a neutral color. This definitely gives you what you need. Let's look on the inside of this bag. It has these little packing things on the inside. It's navy on the inside. And you guys, this is very similar to my other bag that I just showed you. It has a zipper pocket right here, which the one I currently have for my Novial tote does as well. It zips, and on this side it has a zipper pocket here and a zipper pocket here. So overall, the insides of the bag is very similar. There are no D-rings or anything like that to carry anything extra on the inside. The only difference I think this has on my current bag is that you have an option to carry it as like a crossbody. These straps are long enough to carry as a shoulder bag, but my bag offers that as a top handle and a shoulder bag. This is, to me, not very top handle friendly, as you can see how long those straps are. I mean, you can still carry it as a top handle, but for me, it's kind of long. This would come almost down to the floor for me if I was trying to carry this as a top handle. So I don't like that feature about the bag, but there she is. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.